Hey friends, I've been using the AirDoctor 4000 now for a little while, and not just tech specs, but to actually see how it changes everyday air quality. This is Jubilee, she's going to be joining us. Dust, pet hair, allergies, the real stuff from cooking smells. Those are the things that I wanted to see how this AirDoctor 4000 worked and really cleaned the air. If you got pets, kids, or just want cleaner air for your home, you probably want to know if this is actually worth the money. And I found a few things you probably want to know before you buy. And also, I got a bonus tip at the end of this for pet owners. Trust me, you're going to want to see what this tip is. It is Jubilee approved. And if you're curious about today's pricing or bundles, click the link right down in the description where you can learn more about that and check to see what those are. Let's get into this. Let's start with the biggest difference between the AirDoctor 4000 and other purifiers. The large area that it can cover. Room coverage. The AirDoctor 4000 is designed for large spaces. It can filter about 2,500 square feet per hour or 630 square feet per hour, which means it's constantly cleaning the air, not just occasionally filtering it. In my open concept living room, kitchen, leading up to the stairs, this thing actually keeps up. No more dust floating in the sunlight, no more seeing pet hair everywhere, and honestly, no more allergies. Point number 2, the sound. Now I was worried this thing would sound like an airplane taking off, but here's what surprised me. On auto mode, it's whisper quiet, almost like white noise. You don't even notice it. When it detects smoke, cooking fumes, pet scents, or even candles, it kicks into high mode. And that's where you'll hear it, but you'll also see it's working. The light changes from blue to orange or red and starts pulling those particles out of the air fast. I literally roasted broccoli the other night, and you know when it has that burnt smell? The sensor picked up on it in seconds. Point number 3, the filter cost. So here's something that most people don't talk about, filters. This has an ultra HEPA filter. Ultra, I actually had to look this up. I'm actually reading it straight from the specs because it surprised me. Captures particles as small as 0.003 microns. Are you kidding me? For my usage between pets and cooking and allergies, and everybody's got allergies in my house, we get about 6 to 8 months out of each filter. Then it costs me less than $1 a day to clean the air. You can find cheaper purifiers, no doubt about that, but not at this level. If you're someone who cares about VOCs, pet odors, or allergy triggers, check out the link below where they actually break down the cost so you can see exactly what your cost would be. Okay, pet owners, you have hung in there. Here is my tip specifically for you. Now, we got our cockapoo because we wanted a dog that's hyperallergenic, but guess what? They go outside, they collect all sorts of dust and things. Here is a pro tip I wish somebody had told me that I'm telling you now. Place your AirDoctor within 6 to 10 feet or wherever your pet lays, like near the crate, couch, or pet bed. Why? Because pet dander isn't just fur. It's tiny skin particles that float for hours, and those are the ones that trigger allergies and sinus irritation. I ran mine near the couch, way less sneezing, fewer smells, and hardly any floating stuff hanging around in the air. Point number 4, again, these are real life stats. These aren't tech specs. After 2 weeks, here's what I noticed. Number 1, no more stale, musty smells in the morning. Second point, no more floating pet things in the air. Jubilee still runs around like a crazy person, but we don't see those types of things anymore. Number 3 is so big, and honestly should be number 1. My son woke up with way less allergies, way less irritation and coughing, so it has been such a treat to see him not suffering. Fourth point, odors from candles and cooking cleared out in minutes. And fifth point is honestly our home smells fresher, even if nothing else changed. I'm telling you, it's one of those things that you don't notice until you do. So if you're thinking about getting an AirDoctor 4000, I'll drop the link right down in the comments below so you can check the current prices and bundles and also see what they're offering. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I hope this helped you. If you have any comments or any questions, I watch the comments. Don't be afraid to ask. I'm here to help. YouTube thinks you should watch this video next. Say bye, Jubilee. Bye.